wuchi ana biru down me agago district eto gin mabi wuchi ko bir tiane gin matia ti me ko machuri jomne ko bir yot bien logata an bena chakre anoti la we ento un jomuni magiti ka nyano wiya choti toale pingo ke tika ne kachuri eto atika wachulo kada Madi nen wae wega wuchi peke me kuma wana churi pien etika ne kachuri makonye pe ento ana wachulo kada ala we makluni Boby jili ana eno dok pene palur gimoke ken eto un Madi tima be nen noge wa maru fo a bit kachel lo kada kai meti wa bit kachel ti lo kada wekti mi ranye lo wa chuli wan eni mayiti aneno eni nen pabule nen kon o men wa mi amara bus mi ko team weng bene tie kachel en logo ti kin ma ana waju kedeni pien lo da nen otika ne kachure do otika ni mir ma ir ngomwa wega wuchi lo da nena tin wuchi lo da ne amana ne ana fora ke tinya kit ene eto ngomwani pobir ngomitu ni nena lo Madi utimbe obiro connecting ka chuli ka chel we obiro ka chel bene bien lo da ginomi ana waje keto ana ngeo bien anyang ditele la chen to just I don't want about to just to remove a land from Acholi. Now that is what I've said this word. You have to know me myself. Now from my side for us Acholi language. For us, Acholi, we know what we are doing in this war. For us, Acholi, I don't know why any people just try to state us. Either want to fight with Acholi, but don't fight with Acholi. We have to be together at once, whatever you want to be with us. But others, they're removing, you want to remove our land, but it's out of service. Let me tell you there. Tell the truth for you over you Madi, over you from where, but you have to know who we are. Yes, I can speak. You can even ask Boss Mikotimi knows this is our best friend in Uganda. You have seen me like this. For me, at first I was an artist. Now, before I've left it like that, I'm just at working passion, but I don't know anybody to remove our land, actually land. Let me tell you the truth. Really, I can't deceive you. Just this my work. I just used to dig. Even I'm at working passion. Yes, you can ask. Just come to Northern Uganda. Then you are going to find me. Whatever you have a farm, just talk to me. Yes, that is what we could do. Just up my farm. First go and do this kind of job. I can do it. But you don't disturb Acholi. We have to be together. Really, I can't deceive. Whatever you want to connect with us, just come. Thank. That is the last word.